Are you thinking about insurance? At Aquin Financial Services, we do auto, life, home, health, and business. Again, we do auto, life, home, health, and business. At Aquin Financial Services, we protect your most valuable assets. Yes, good morning. I'd like to say good morning to everyone for taking the time and giving us the opportunity to be here with you today. And we want to say thank you for taking your most valuable time to be a part of this episode today. And our weekly episode, remember, once you log into our channel at Aquin Financial Services, all we do talk about is insurance, all we do talk about is finance, all we do talk about is about you saving your money. So today, what we're going to talk about is 10 ways to save on your auto insurance. 10 ways or 10 tips to save on your auto insurance. So before we do that, I would like to thank you guys for those of you who've been messaging us, and for those of you who actually signed up on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. I would like to say thank you. I appreciate you all. And for those of you who always send the like, I always try to do my best to respond to your messages, and as well to give you the like back, because if you like our video, we will like yours as well. So without any further ado, let's hop on to our nitty-gritty for today. First one is on your auto insurance. On the 10 tips, the first tip is on the auto insurance, shop around. I would encourage you to shop around for your auto insurance. Get at least 2 quotes so you can compare to see where are you getting a better deal. I know some of you guys are accustomed to brand names or company names. Let's say if the company is an A-rated company, that's okay. But at least get 2 quotes just so you have an idea what you're looking at and paying. That's the first one. Number 2, raise your deductible, okay? Your deductible, you can raise it. It will help you reduce on your premium. If the deductible is 0, the premium obviously is going to be higher. If it's 500, of course it's going to reduce on the premium, on your monthly premium. So raise your deductible. That's definitely a point there you should take into consideration. And be sure, and of course, when you getting on your deductible, make sure you know if anything happened and you were to get into a car accident, if you have to contribute on the damage, make sure you have enough on how much you can contribute. So take that into account, okay? And of course, the third one is to reduce on your insurance if your car is old, okay? In some cases, there are cars that are very old and they're not worth the amount of the insurance that the person covered the car for. So let's say you have a 1992 Toyota Corolla, and they were to say, I want to put full coverage on that particular car, and the car only worth about $600. $600. Remember, some of you guys may not know how to check on the cars, where to find out the value of the vehicle. For instance, you have Kelley Blue Books, you have Kelley Blue Books, True Cars. You can check in these. They'll give you an idea as how much your vehicle is worth. Or you can have the agent check for you. They can find out how much the car is worth. So with that says, if the car is worth $600, for you to put company collision on it, it's not even worth it. And if you get into an accident, or the monthly premium is going to be too expensive for you, or it's going to be added to that premium, whereby you could have saved that extra $200 or $300 for the next 6 months or the next 2 years or year or so, as long as the car is good, you can save it for a better car to buy yourself a better vehicle. So yes, have your agent double check on that for you. Like I said, Kelley Blue Book, True Cars, or the great source for you to find that. And remember also, it's about 8 to 10 times less than the value of your vehicle. That's you'll be paying on that vehicle. I don't know if it doesn't sound right. I'm so sorry. So let's move on. I don't want to I feel like I'm losing my thoughts. Okay, number 4, maintains a good credit history. Good credit history, which means it will help you to lower your insurance premium. and have a valid driver license, not a suspended driver license. Try not to have any speeding tickets. And also, if you're homeowners, that would also help. And of course, no claim. I mean, we can't avoid that from happening, but if you have claim, it's okay. But that actually helps if you don't have any claim. It helps you with having your auto insurance. Number 5, okay? Number 5, there's a couple of companies that does offer mileage discount. Let's say if you don't, there's a standard mileage, it's about 12,000 miles a year now. If you drive less than that, definitely you want to ask to see if you can take advantage of having your mileage be considered in your premium. So they'll see how they can make the reduction on your premium for you. So before we're going to take our little break, because remember, with these videos, we really want to make them how much? 10 to 15 minutes max. And you go back and review, double check just to make sure that you can take advantage of what's happening and saving you money. Our goal at Aquin Financial Services is for us to help you protect your most valuable assets and save money. So we'll take a break for now.
Need life insurance? Then contact our professional and friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored services designed to suit your exact needs. Every one of our professionals have acquired years of experience, which ensures you get the very best. Our experienced staff are waiting to hear from you and to answer any specific questions that you may have on how we can meet your needs. Just ask for a consultation and let us prove our commitment to you, as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and commitment. Your satisfaction is our prime concern. So please don't hesitate to get in contact with us and let us show you all the great options we have.
Yes, we are now back, and of course, before I move on to the next other 5 or 4 that is left, I'd like to have you guys thought process in a different direction, which is what you need to get auto insurance. When you actually considering buying a vehicle, what do you need to think, or what you need to have in place before you go to an agent, or before you even go online to consider trying to find a quote. First of all, your driver license. Keep it handy, because most people doesn't know the driver license by heart. Okay, starting with me. Okay, so you're gonna know your address, obviously, your date of birth, all that other miscellaneous information as well as your name. But your driver license number is the most important thing, because they need to track down based on your history and your record. That's how they find you and what you've been doing, if you've been very good. And of course, the next one is, where do you live? Zip code play a big role in auto insurance. Your zip code is extremely important. Your zip code, if you have a lot of claims, if it has a lot of accident, I'm sorry to tell you that your insurance is going to be high. So also remember, insurance is also cost sharing. Cost sharing is, let's say we live on where? So anywhere, you choose a zip code. Whatever the zip code is, 3313, 321, whatever. If that zip code had, let's say you're taking insurance today, for the past 6 months, that zip code only had 6 accidents. So you got a rate for, let's say, $80. Now, when it's time for you to renew your insurance within the next 6 months, let's say now that zip code has a total of 12 accidents or 10. Obviously, what's going to happen? Your insurance is going to go up. So remember, insurance is cost sharing. If it goes down, your premium will definitely go down as well. So keep that in mind. Also, people like to compare themselves with why my friend is paying X amount of insurance and why I have the same type of car. If you guys you guys may be the same, but driving history different. How long the person have the driver license, or had they already had insurance? What year is the vehicle? What type of technology that's in the vehicle? The list just goes on and on and on and on. So you can't really compare apple to apple because the variation is so vast. So I would not recommend I say, okay, we can look at it, but we will find it different regardless. So yes, the next part to think of is, yeah, I think I mentioned that of 30 have the person had insurance, okay? Now on the last 30 days, and have the VIN number of the vehicle. That's extremely important, so we don't mistake the type of car you're getting the insurance for. And if you have GPS, any safety features on the vehicle. And of course, remember, our job is to help you get the best coverage that suits your needs. We can't force you to buy something that you don't want to buy. We can't force you to buy any coverage that you don't feel like you are entitled to, any premium that you don't want to burst out, you don't want to pay. We can only get you the minimum, which is what the state required, and so forth. Whatever extra is going to be based on your financial situations. Okay, that was just a little bit of opening. Now the next part is to get more discount. All right, I think I might have add that in there. To get more discount in your vehicle, it's I think 6 or 7, is identity theft device. Or let's say if you have an alarm system in your car, some of the vehicle come with it. Or you can put a tracking device in your vehicle. If you have these, that's a discount as well. So if you, and sometimes that could even be up to 25% on your premium. That really help, okay? And of course, remember, speak to your agent. Our job is to make sure we help you. I wish it could be me. If it's me, it's great. If it's not me, or if it's one of our agents in our office, beautiful. But if it's not me, make sure you get the most coverage for your money, okay? Don't just buy insurance and you don't know what you have. You want to make sure you know what you have. Don't just say, oh, I just need insurance. No, what kind of insurance? I'm getting insurance, but this is the type of insurance what I have. This is what it covers. You need to know why your insurance covered. In case you get into an accident later, you know what you will get for your money. Do you have tow? Do you have rental? Do you have roadside assistance? It comes with a package, but what does the package has to offer? Okay, number 8. I think that was number 8. Number 9, pay your insurance in full if you can afford to. That's actually a huge discount as well. Pay your insurance in full, okay? Pay it in full if you can. It will help you save money. And the last one, but not least, I like to say this. Insurance is likely to grow to be much more expensive regardless. Although we do have a lot of insurance companies that will compete with each other, that will compete for your business. But what I realize, insurance will always go up. It's not going to go down. Think of it this way. Population-wise, we're growing drastically. We are growing. And a lot of people that's getting into the driving thing or having that driving experience are unexperienced. We're going to have accidents. And when we do have accident, eventually what's going to happen by having accident is jack up the rate. And if the rate is jacking up, and what's going to happen, when you get into an accident, sometimes people have to go to a chiropractor. You're going to have tickets. If they can eliminate tickets and eliminate having an accident, when you have an accident, it counts against you, yes, I would see where cost of insurance go down. But what are the chances of that happening? Not likely. So it's unfortunate to tell you that, although the tips was great, but the sad part is insurance will not go down. You just have to be prepared at all times and protect. Like we always like to say it here. At Aquin Financial Services, our job is to help you protect your most valuable asset. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.